A simple breath, a sudden release. We do it every day, but rarely do we see the invisible storm we create. Whenever the prophet sneezed, he would cover his face with his hand or a garment, and he would suppress the sound. Sunan Abi Dawud. Long before we understood the physics of aerosols or the speed of a cough, there was a teaching of grace and protection. It is more than just manners. It is a mercy to the one standing beside you. It is the realization that our private actions have public consequences. In a world obsessed with hygiene, we find the most sophisticated etiquette in the humblest of traditions. Could the smallest act of courtesy be your greatest act of protection?